Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over an analysis I have gone through. Before I get started, there's a couple of things I just wanted to let you know. This is a very short-term offer. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, you want some free PDFs, just come over to quantlabs.net. But in the time being, I put up a video from last night on my webinar, a 2-hour plus video, my weekly webinar. If you're interested in that, just click on get a USB key with a 7-day trial, give you access to the video, and just visit quantlabs.shop to do that. All right, so let's look at the most profitable coins. So as I said, I used good old Python to generate this script. These are the results. So I have over about 100 plus positions, and these are all theoretical, but they do track which is profitable and which one's not. So basically I have the overall P&L of total positions for each coin, plus number of wins, number of trades, and then out of that comes the win ratio. So this is all sorted by win ratio. So the coins that did the best, now it depends upon the market conditions over the last 12 hours, and it also depends upon, these are from the top moving coins. So this will include everything, no filter. There's nothing saying taking winners and losers. It doesn't matter. As I said, it's unfiltered. So out of that, the ones that were most profitable were these ones, but I would only really focus on the ones that have multiple number of trades. So out of that, algo's top with 3 trades, and then it gets more interesting. Again, it depends upon the market conditions. But chances and probability may say, I'm not saying it will, but may say 7 to 9 positions for RSR with a 78% win ratio, and then followed up with VET out of 2 out of 3, and then Balancer out of 3 out of 6, and then Kava 6 out of 10, and then Sushi 7 out of 12. So some of those are obviously DeFi coins, and then you can see some of the weaker ones, even if you have multiple positions here. And again, it depends upon market condition, where some of the more traded coins, which would include CRV, 4 out of 11 wins with a 36% win ratio. Aave, 1 out of 3 with a 33% win ratio. Uni with 3 out of 9 at 33. Chainlink out of 2 out of 6 with 33 win ratio. YFI 4 out of 14 at 28% win ratio, and then a compound 3 out of 13 at 23% win ratio. So again, that depends upon market conditions. But if I let this run and collect the number of trades as I'm doing for the next, let's say, week, I'll get a very, very good synopsis on which coins are worthy to trade with a higher probability of winning. And based on not just that, but based upon the order book for those particular coins, be able to know which ones are more in demand at that time when they're ready to be traded, regardless of market conditions. So I'm probably going to run that for the next week or so and just keep running this analysis to let people know which ones are good, which ones are not good. So leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and have yourselves a good day. And don't forget, if you want to get a video I put up, you just go to quantlabs.shop, and you get a 7-day trial on the analytics thing, as well as your free book with some PDF stuff on trading tech secrets, basically, at quantlabs.net. We shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.